Welcome back to Maths with Miss Buick. In this example we are looking at binomial expansions, and this of course comes from the binomial theorem. Above here I have the binomial theorem written out for you, but we're going to start off with an example which will hopefully explain the binomial theorem for you in numbers rather than all the letters that are above there. So we'll begin by looking at our question, p plus q all to the power 6. So we begin by 6 choose 0. So this means choose. So 6 choose 0. And our first letter here is P. So we're going to keep with our P and replace the X with a P. So P to the power of 6 plus 6 choose 1. So you can see here we're going up by 1. P to the 5. And then we're going to do Q to the 1. So you can see here that 5 plus 1 adds to give the 6, and this 1 is represented as the 1 over here. Plus 6 choose 2. We're going down again, so P to the 4, Q to the 2. Again, 4 plus 2 is 6, and the bottom number here, which is 2, is our value of the power up here for the Q. Plus 6 choose 3. Q to the 3, P to the 3, Q to the 3. Again, you can see here that 3 plus 3 is 6, and the bottom number here, 3, is the power for the Q. Plus 6 choose 4, P to the 2, Q to the 4. Again, 2 and 4 is 6, and this number down here is the power over there. With the Q, 6 choose 5, P to the 1, Q to the 5, 1 and 5 is 6, and the bottom here is the 5, plus 6 choose 6, P to the 0, Q to the 6. 0 plus 6 is 6, and you can see here that the bottom number here is the number up there. And then what you can do is you can go to your calculator and simplify out what they all are. So we're going to do that right now. If you're not sure how to use the calculator, we're going to show you how to do that now. So you can see this here. So here's my Casio calculator, and the first we're looking for is 6 choose 0. So we type in 6, and then this is our choosing button here. So we're going to do shift choose 6. So you can see the 6 and you can see the C, which is choose, and we want to 0. So you can see here 6 choose 0, and we get out 1. So we replace this 6 choose 0 with 1 P to the 6. Plus, next of all, we're going to do our delete button, and we're going to delete the 0 and put in a 1 instead. So 6 choose 1, and we get 6. So we get rid of this and put down a 6, P to the 5, Q to the 1. Plus, again, we're going to delete the 1 and put in a 2. So can you see that? And then we get 15. So we're going to get rid of this and put in a 15. We're on to 6 power of our 6 choose 3. So again, we're going to delete the 2 and put in a 3. And we get out 20. And I think we'll continue down here. We're on to 6 choose 4. $15. Now 6 choose 5. And you can see here there's a pattern. So we'll see, can you see that in a second? Get 6. And 6 choose 6. 1. Now, don't forget that anything to the power 0 is 1, so we get rid of the P, just leaving the Q. Now, you can see here that we start off with a 1 and it ends in a 1. Then we've got a 6 and a 6, 15 and a 15 over here, and then 20 is in the centre. So if you're asked to expand fully using the binomial theorem, this is how you do it.